Hello everyone, you're welcome to Science Journey with Glory Valentine. In this video, I will show you 3 steps on how to change language in Google Chrome browser to your desired language. Let's start.
Here we have opened to a Google Chrome browser. Instead of new tab, we are having it in a different language entirely, and here it's also a different language. So the reason may be that you buy a new computer and mistakenly click on a different language, or maybe many faulty extension or malicious software. Whatever the reason may be, you can change it back to your desired language. So here on the right hand side, click on these 3 dots and go down. The language here you may not understand. What you need to do is start counting from the last 1, 2, 3 is the third option here. In English, this is exit, this is help, and this is settings. So you click on the third option. Here you are still going to click on the type option here. This one stands for about Chrome. This one stands for extensions, and here is the advanced with a drop down. So click on this arrow and you will have all these options. First option that you are going to have is languages. So click this language option. Only shows this. What you need to do is to click on this arrow and you will have other information. Click on these 3 dots. The first one simply means display in this language. But since we don't understand this language, we want to change it to English language. So this one is another language entirely. When you click, it will just say display Google Chrome in this language, and we don't want this language, we want a different language. This simply means add languages. So click on the add languages and you can search here for your preferred language. I need English. So this is English. Check the box, then add. So English has been added here. Click on the 3 dots, display Google Chrome in this language. So we want to display Google Chrome in English. So we tick English. Is means relaunch. Click on the relaunch button for it to change. So here everything has changed to English language. So this is what we are having. You can confirm it. Everything has changed. Let's open a new tab and see. You see, it's giving us new tab, and here we have search Google or type a URL. But before, everything was in a different language. So remember how we started? Only 3 steps: settings, then advanced 1, 2, 3. Once we click on languages and click on this drop down menu where we have all these options, and we click on the 3 dots checked on our preferred language.